Watch me fly higher, my obstacle. What's up, y'all? This is Duana, aka Vlogmas I 1026, and welcome back to the Glam Room. Today is, I believe, day 7 of Vlogmas. My brain is going bad, but it is the second day of my Christmas week of videos. So today on the Blend Games, my platform for small Black creators, we are having a challenge. Well, not a challenge, it's a collaboration. We are going to do a look that encapsulates the spirit of the film, and we're going to use the hashtag TBGJangle to showcase our look. So today I have created this look that kind of, I don't know, it came to me while I was watching the film. So I watched the film and I did my makeup while I watched the film, and this is what I came up with. So if you want to see how we get from here to there, stay tuned. Y'all, we are doing the Jingle Jangle collab with the Blend Games, and so I decided to film my collab. I have no idea what I'm gonna do, y'all. This movie is so cute and it's so, like, I don't know, I just love Christmas movies, and this one was Christmas movies with Black people, and I just loved it. And you know, I love musicals too, so it was just like the icing on the cake. So somebody came to me and said, why doesn't the Blend Games do a Jingle Jangle collab, so that, you know, just to get people, you know, excited about creating. And so I said, okay, yeah, that's fine. And then it struck me that, like, I'm gonna have to do it too, because I run the Blend Games. So now I'm here trying to do a thing. So we're here, primed, brows done, and we're gonna try to get something done very nicely for this collab. I have no idea what I'm gonna do, y'all. This is gonna be as much of a shock to me as it is to you. And I'll be watching the movie while I do it, so hopefully we can draw some inspiration from that, okay? So I'm going to pull out my Sephora Pro palette, and this is the New Nudes collection. Since I don't know what I'm doing now, I'm just gonna put down my transition shades and watch the movie, and hopefully we're just getting the journeys part, so hopefully we'll have something we can, you know, hopefully the inspiration will strike.
Is it alright if I call you Grandpa Caracas?
Could you not?
I guess Grandpa J sounds so much better.
This movie is so cute. So I decided to do a look that is centered on Journey, because I really did love her character in the film. So on one side I'm going to do Journey, and the other side I'm going to do Gustafsson.
Why not borrow another?
You better believe from the magic Benji. Can you dig it?
That book. There is nothing left of him. There is nothing left in that pawn shop.
All right, now what? I don't know. Let's keep watching. This is the Drench Cosmetics matte cosmic line. I think it's called Cosmic Liner. I think? I don't remember. Watch me fly high above my obstacles.
Like this.
Something and something I'm supposed to be. All the possibility The square root of impossible is me.
I want to go to bed. I want to stay up here and fix this, please.
Good night,
Please,
Kurt.
Grandpa. Oh,
Will
yeah.
you listen to me?
Just mean.
Go!
He just had a life full of hurt, so, you know, he can't trust anybody. He can't open himself up and trust nobody no more. That's so sad. He need therapy. This is another thing I love. They said, we're going to give you some Afro beats. This is just so Negro. I love it. So now we're gonna get this purple shimmer right here. We're gonna put that in there. Y'all can't see. I'm gonna move closer. So now that I'm finished that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this gold thing and I'm gonna attempt to make a gear. I gotta practice though. How does a gear look? What does a gear even look like? It's a circle with things on the outside. Okay, let's see if we can make that. I don't know, y'all. Y'all saw me with my snowflake. Okay, so we're gonna try and do a gear. Oh, Father.
See me poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a Gotti. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry.
Does it look like a gear yet? I don't know. I don't know. But it's gonna be two of them. It's gonna be a little gear and a big gear. Why did I decide to do this? I don't know. I wanted to step out of my comfort zone because the square root of impossible is me. Woo! Does that look like a gear? A little bit. I feel like the sound behind this, like the music, it matches the intensity that I feel making this gear. Okay, let's see if we can make another gear now. Maybe! I think so, you know? Look at me, look at me. 2 days in a row, I'm doing graphic liner. For some variety on this side, I decided to go with green and yellow in the same pattern because those are Gustafson's colors. So I'm just gonna fast forward through that because you saw me create Journey's look.
If we can make you walk out, yeah.
You better sing that song, Lavelle. Sing it. And now I'm about to do a G over here, like the gears over here, because if you look in Gustafson's house, he has G's all over the wall, like he's Gucci. So I'm gonna try and make a G, but I don't know if it's gonna be backwards or not. So this is gonna be interesting, guys. It's a G. Okay. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna trace with the black liner. Hopefully I can keep my hand steady enough so that I don't mess up with the black liner because that's really gonna make it pop. Y'all, why did I do this? Why did I do this? Look at my G. It's not bad, it's just not good. Let's see if we can fix it. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching today. We have our journey side and we have our Gustafsson side. Don't mind my G. Okay, we're gonna be kind. I'm so happy that you guys sat down and watched me do my makeup while watching this movie. I really, really love it. If you haven't seen it and you have Netflix, go watch it. It's gonna be an instant classic. If you love musicals, you will love this. If you love Christmas, you will love it. If you love happiness and healing, you will love this movie. So go watch it. I think it's really amazing. Oh, and Black people. If you love Black people, you'll like this movie too. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for bearing with me this week. We still have two more days to go. We still have 2 more days to go. And I will see you guys in my next video, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you can be a part of the Glam fam and know exactly when I upload. Also, don't forget to follow me at Glamazon1026 on Instagram and Twitter. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Impossible, you rise high above my obstacles.